Hello students, how are you? I will hope all of you good health with God's grace. Okay students, what is studied in the previous class? Yes, students say what is studied in the previous class? Yes, good. Construct a quadrilateral when its four sides and one angle are given. Yes, four sides and one angles are given. Okay students, already we have studied. Yes, okay. Now we are studying the topic construct a quadrilateral when its three sides and two angles are given. Construct a quadrilateral when its three sides and two angles are given. Yes, okay students, so take your pen, compass, pencil, sharpener, eraser, scale. Okay students, all of you take your pencil, scale, compass. Quick, fast. Okay students. Okay, are you interested in the topic? Yes, good. Okay students, example 5.24. Example 5.24. What is given in this example? Construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Is naming ABCD. Okay, with AB equal to 7 cm and AD equal to 5 cm and CD equal to 5 cm. Angle BAC equal to 50 degree and angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Also find its area. Okay students, what is given in this problem? Three sides are given. Yes, so AB equal to 7 cm and AD equal to 5 cm and CD is equal to 5 centimeters. These are sides. Okay, so what sides are given? Three sides. AB equal to 7 cm, AD equal to 5 cm and CD equal to 5 cm. Okay students, and two angles. So which angles are given? So angle BAC equal to 50 degree and angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Okay students, so what is question in this example? Find its area. Okay, so first we draw a rough diagram and using the rough diagram, and next we draw a main diagram and write steps, and last one calculations of area. Okay students, already we know this format. Yes, okay, so listen. Okay student, first write problem and next we write solution. Okay, so listen, solution. What is given? So AB 7 cm. Yes, given AB equal to 7 cm and AD equal to 5 cm and CD equal to 5 cm and angle BAC equal to 50 degree and angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Angle AB equal to 60 degree. Okay, so and next one Next one, draw a rough diagram. Yes, draw a rough diagram and using the scale, draw a rough diagram. So, a rough diagram, draw a right hand side. Okay, students? Rough diagram. So, students, can you see the page? Okay. Look at the rough diagram. First, draw a line and next top the draw a line and join the two lines. Join the two lines and draw a diagonals. Draw a diagonals. So, naming the diagram, this name is ABCD. Yes, this name is ABCD. So, A, B, C, D. So, name is A, B, C, D. Okay, so, first one is, what is AB? What is scale? AB is equal to 7 centimeter. So, 7 centimeter. And AD equal to 5 centimeter. So, this one is AD. Yes, this line is AD is equal to 5 centimeter. And where is CD? CD is equal to 5 centimeter. Where is CD? Yes, CD this. Yes, CD. So, CD is equal to 5 centimeter. And next one, angle. Yes, 3 sides are given. So, mark the 3 sides. And 2 sides are, and 2 angles are given. Yes, which angle? Angle BAC equal to 50 degree. Angle BAC equal to 50 degree. 50 degree. Okay. And next angle is angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Angle ABC. So, this one is center angle. Yes, B equal to angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Okay, students, can you understand the rough diagram? Okay, students, draw a rough diagram and next we are going to the main diagram. Okay. Okay, students, within 5 seconds, draw a rough diagram. Okay. Presentation is very important. So, draw it neatly. Okay, students. Sharp the pencil and draw the rough diagram and main diagram. Okay. And next we draw the main diagram. Okay, students, did you draw? Okay, good. Whoever finishes drawing so fast. Next diagram, next main diagram. So, turn on the new page, okay? Turn on the new page. First, we draw a line First we draw a line AB equal to 7 centimeter. Yes, look at the rough diagram and draw the main diagram. Okay, so what is AB scale is 7 centimeter. So AB equal to 7 centimeters. So we take the scale and draw the line. Yes, draw a line. So AB equal to 7 centimeters. So 7 is this. So okay, 7 is this. So we draw the line, starting point, and 7 is here. So start is this. So draw a line. Yes, draw a line 7 centimeter. Draw a line 7 centimeter. So this point name is A and this point name is B. Okay students, mark the point. Starting point is name is A and end point name is B. Okay student, can you understand? Okay, so and next we draw a next we mark the point C. So look at the diagram. Students, look at the diagram. Take a protractor. What is C in this rough diagram? Yes, angle A is 50 degree. Yes, angle A is 50 degree. Yes, okay. So now now we take a angle 50 degree. So A as center and AB is baseline. So A as center, yes, A as center. So A as center and AB is baseline. So now we take the angle 50 degree. So this one is, we take inner scale. Yes, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, 50 is near this. Yes, so mark the point and using the scale draw a x-axis. Draw a x and y-axis. So first we take this one is y-axis. And next we draw this one. Angle is using protractor and measure the angles. So 60 degree. Yes, what is given in this rough diagram? 60 degrees. So we take the outer scale. Yes, 0, 10. So 0. Okay. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, 60. 61 is this. Yes, students, listen. So 60 degree. Yes, so 60 degree. So this point and this point, joining the points and draw a ray. Yes, this ray is called the X-ray. This ray is called the X. This ray is called the X. And two rays, X and Y, join the point. Join the point is called the C. Join the point is called the C. Okay student, can you understand? So and this angles measure 6.4. Yes, this angle is 6.4. Yes, this angle is 6.4. Listen, can you see the scale and scales? So this one is 6.4 centimeters. Okay, so this diagonal on 6.4 centimeter and measure and write. Okay students, must write using pencil. Okay, must write using pencil. Okay, next we draw a line, arc. Yes, next we draw an arc. So using the scale and we take the 5 centimeter. So look at the diagram. This one is C and next we draw a D. Okay, so mark the point D. So first we take the 5 centimeter. Yes, this one is First we take the 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. See a center and cut the arc and cut the one arc. Okay, can you see the arc? Okay, good. And next we take that the same measure 5 centimeter, A as center and draw a one arc and two arcs joining the one points. This point is called the D. This point is called the D. So mark the point A and D. Mark the point A and D and mark the point C and D. Mark the point C and D. Okay, next we measure the height. Yes, so already we know the H1 and H2. Yes, so okay, so perpendicular, so this one is 3.8. yes, this one is 3.8 centimeter, 3.8 centimeter. And next we draw a B as perpendicular to AC. So yes, this one is correctly measure 5.3. yes, 5.3. so this height is 5.3 centimeter, 5.3 centimeter. So and write the measure AB equal to 7 centimeter and AD equal to 5 centimeter, AD equal to 5 centimeter and CD equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so this one angle is angle ABC is equal to 60 degree and angle CAB equal to 50 degree. CAB equal to 50 degree. Students, can you understand the main diagram? Can you understand the main diagram? Okay. Okay, students, you draw your note. Okay. Don't overdraw. Okay, students, draw carefully. Okay, students, did you draw? Okay, good. Next, write steps. Next, write steps. Next, write steps. Page number 185. Okay, students, steps, 6 steps, 5 steps. Okay, so write your note. Steps, must write your note. Okay, students, steps, must write your note. Page number, book page number 185. See the 5 steps. Yes, so turn the page number 185 and you see the steps. Yes, and write the steps in your note. Okay. Okay, students, you must write within 5 seconds. Okay, quick, fast. Okay, students, did you write steps? Okay, good. Next, we find the calculations of area. Okay, so area of the quadrilateral, area of the quadrilaterals this name is ABCD. Yes, this name is ABCD. So ABCD equal to, formula say, students, area of the quadrilateral formula say of into D into H1 plus H2. H1 plus H2. So equal to 1 by 2 into D equal to, where is D? Diagonals. Okay, so D is 6.4 centimeters. So 6.4 centimeter multiplied, and H1, this one is H1 and this one is H2. Yes, so H1 is 3.8 centimeter. Students say, where is H2? This. Yes, so 5.3. Okay, good. So this one square units, right? Square units. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 6.4 into, students, this one sum and say the answer. 3.8, 5.3. Yes, 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 cancel and put here, and 1 in the top. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Yes, so 9.1. Yes, 9.1. So 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Yes, and next multiply 3.2 multiplied 9.1. So 3.2 multiplied 9.1. So 1 2 is 2 and 1 3 is 3. 9 2s are 18. So 8 cancel and put here, and remainder is 1, and 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 1. So 28. So 28. So 2, 8 plus 3. Can you see the note? Okay. 2 for add. Okay. So 2, 8 plus 3, 11. Yes. So 11. 1 cancel and put here 1 in the 8th top. 8 numbers top. Okay, near the top. So 8 plus 1, 9. Yes. So and 2. So totally 29.12. 29.12 centimeters square. Square unit. So square unit. So we write centimeters square. Okay, student, can you understand? Okay, students, write your note. Students, did you write? Quick, fast. Whoever finishes writing. Okay, students, homework. Mark your book, textbook. Homework. Roman letter 1. Problem number 2, 3 homework. Problem number 2, 3, 4 homework. 2, 3, 4 homework. Okay, students. Homework 2, 3, 4 are homework. Okay, students, mark the homework and do your homework note. Okay, students, bye. We are meet the next class. Okay, bye students, take care.